everyone and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we are going to be making clear melt and pour soap. Let's go through our ingredients. We have Stevenson's Standard Clear Melt and Pour Soap, a raspberry seed exfoliant, Darjeeling tea and rose fragrance oil, and red liquid dye. Let's get started. Wearing gloves, chop up your soap into small cubes so it melts evenly in the microwave. When ready, place your soap in the microwave and heat in small bursts, starting with 1 minute on medium to low heat, then continue in bursts of 30 seconds until completely melted. With your soap now melted, you can add your fragrance oil and mix well. Then you can add your dye, adding a few drops at a time until you create your preferred colour. As you can see, we have a lovely pink colour on ours. Once mixed in, you can stir in your raspberry seeds. With your mixture ready, you can now pour it into your mould. We have chosen our 500 grams silicone mould. Use your spatula to scrape out any excess mixture. To get rid of any unwanted bubbles, spray your soap with some IPA, then leave your soap to set. Once your soap is set, it's time to demould. When demoulding, pull the sides of your mould away from the soap and place your soap upside down and using the palm of your hand, push down on the bottom to release the base. Depending on your chosen exfoliant, your seeds may disperse differently throughout your soap. On this occasion, you can see our seeds have risen to the top. You can now cut your soap with a soap cutter to make the pieces even, or freehand with different sized chunks ready to use.